Good morning, first grade. Happy Tuesday. This is your focus video for today. First, we're going to start with math. So remember, our standard for today is to use non-count by one strategies to add and subtract within 20. And the ways you can do that is by playing the bingo game I taught you yesterday, 15 to 20 minutes of Dreambox, and then problem of the day. So your problem of the day today is a how many problem. So go ahead and pause the video whenever you need to take a look at how many. Some questions that you can use to get you started with this are how many, or what do you see that you can count? What are different ways that you can count? How many different groups do you see? And what are some equations you could write down for the things that you are counting? Switching to reading. So our reading goal is to be able to read texts at grade level and also to be able to compare and contrast text on the same topic. So I want to show you something new that you can go to that the district opened up. So if you go to Clever, I'm going to use Emery's page, but yours looks the same. You have Lexia, which you can still go to 15 to 20 minutes a day to work on reading skills. And then Learning A to Z. This is where you can find text at your level, and I have already set that for you. So when you go into Learning A to Z, you'll see two things. First, you'll see HeadSprout. This will have learning videos at your level. So the first time you log into HeadSprout, you'll take a placement test, which will place you on a learning track that's good for you. I'm not going to click on that now because I don't want to mess up Emery's. But then the other thing you can click on is just reading. So when you're doing your 20 minutes of read to self time using your grade level text, then you can click on Level Up, and it will open up texts or books at your level. Many of you use this in kindergarten, but if you haven't, you can listen to the book, you can read the text, and then you'll also take a quiz on that text. And as you go through, you'll earn stars to be able to decorate your spaceship and change your avatar as well. So that's something you can work on in addition to Lexia and the other activities that I send to you too. And then the final thing I want to go over today is science. So your science goal is to identify some ways that plants and animals meet their needs to survive. And one thing I'd like you to do is to make yourself a journal. So you can just take pieces of paper, fold it, and title it, How Do Animals Meet Their Needs to Survive? And then take some notes in here about different things that you discover. So one thing you can go to help with this is BrainPop. If you go to BrainPop through Clever, it won't log you in immediately. You do have to log in. You'll have to get your grown-up to help you with this. You'll have to set up a family account, but it is free right now while we are learning from home. So once you have set up an account, you don't need to put in credit card information or anything like that. Then when you scroll all the way down to BrainPop Junior, click on that. And then for today, I'd like you to go to Science and Animals and pick one or two animals or insects to watch the video and explore for today, and take some notes about how they meet their needs to survive, and then we'll share it at our class meeting. So that's it for today. Happy Tuesday. Bye.